Hey guys, today we are going to review JBL T500. Let's look at the details. As always, let's look at the outside of the box. When we look at the box, you will see a JBL logos here and also pure bass and the zero cable. This means that we are going to have some bass in this JBL, I think. And also we will see a wireless logo, which is Bluetooth, and also the 16 hours of battery is also a big improvement on the previous version. On the back side of the box, we see that JBL pure sound bass logos and also hands-free calls. And the next one is multi-point connection, and the last one is the lightweight and the foldable design. On the right side, I see that there is a quick charge possibility with this product, which is 5 minutes charge is equal to 1 hour play hour, and also the 16-hour battery time also mentioned here. I think it's time to open the box. Let's open the box and see what's inside of the box. Oops. Yes, finally we see some manuals, and on the other section, let's move these. Yeah, finally I reached the headphone. Let's clean here. And also, is it JBL tradition? Cable comes as an orange color. You can recharge this headphone with iPhone adapters, and also you may use your computers to recharge as well. On the body section, you will see a foldable design, which is just like the previous version of this headphone. You will see just like this. And on the back side, you will see some big letters here, which is R symbolized for the right. You will see the L here, which is symbolized for the left. When we look at the body quality, I like the body quality. And also here we have a comfortable grip here. Fake leather, but this part will be improving the ergonomic of this headphone, I guess. We see here a matte plastic, but on the headphone sections, we see that JBL logos are shining. So this improves the quality of this headphone also. When we are looking at the buttons of these headphones, we saw that the volume down, volume up, and also multifunction button, which is you can use for answering a call, ending a call, and also play and pause for the music. On the right side, we are seeing the power button, and also we have a small LED here, which indicates low battery, and also when you open it, a blue color comes here. And on the right section of this one, we are seeing the microphone here. And also on the upper side, you will see a micro USB charging port here, which you may use to charge this cable. And also you may find 4 different colors, which are blue, black, white, and also the pink. The pink color, which is exclusive for T500 series, I have to say. And I would like to add that this headphone is so lightweight, which is around 113 grams. This is also a very good situation for carrying this headphone. And also this headphone is foldable, so it's so easy to carry. But my personal suggestion to you, you have to use a carrying pouch in order to use this headphone in longer times. Let's look at the battery performance of this headphone. This headphone gives us 16 hours of battery time, which is also a very good improvement from the previous version of this headphone. At the beginning of the video, I also mentioned that there is a quick charge possibility with this headphone, which is around you will charge this headphone just 5 minutes and you will have 1 hour of battery time, which is also very good. And also it takes nearly 2 hours to fuel up the battery from 0 to 100, let's say. When we came to the connection side, we are just having a Bluetooth connection here. We don't have NFC, and there is no cable option for this headphone. This headphone uses Bluetooth 4.1. For example, you are listening to music or watching a video from your PC. At that time, your phone starts to ring and you answer the phone with the headphone. The headphone automatically switches to the mobile phone, and when you end up the call, it automatically switches to the computer, and you will continue to listen your music or whatever you are doing at the PC. Yes, finally, it's time to make the first connection of this headphone. Let's take it from the stand and also put it here. I will open my headphone from this button, which is the opening button, just like this. And you will see a blue LED here, which is blinking. I will switch to my phone and opening my Bluetooth section. I will just going to find the JBL 5000 here, and also I just press it and the connection is okay right now. I'm just checking which is the right place. Yeah, finally you may see that the JBL connection is okay right now. It's so easy. I just open it from this opening button and then go to my Bluetooth menu and make the connection. Is so easy. I would like to talk about the sound performance of this headphone also. I will just going to listen my music and then I will make my comments to you. Yes, I have to say that I really like the sound of this music. The volume level is so high, and also I really like the bass level, I have to admit that. This is a really budget headphone that you may consider while buying a Bluetooth headphone for a starter segment, I guess. This is not suitable for gaming, just for listening music, watching videos, it's okay. But for gaming, there will be a lag, I guess. But I tried this headphone with YouTube and also Netflix. There's no lag and there's no sound issues. I really like the performance of this headphone, both at music and also the video performance. For the last section, I have to tell you that I don't like the microphone performance of this headphone. If you are going to talk with your friends, both inside and outside, inside will be okay, but at the outside, it's not suitable to talk at the outside with this headphone, I have to say. Yes, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, press the like button, and also please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you, bye bye.